This video I'm going to teach you the Flex City gift codes and how to redeem them. So as you can see right here on this article, we have the updated Flex City codes for January 2026. So from in there, it's actually an online RPG card game that lets you play. And here we have the working codes. We have new codes right here such as Page Explorer, JVeer, Hello Summer. These are all working. We also have in your Smoker 4444 as well as all of these options right here. So you can just input that on the reward redemption code. These are all time limited and can expire soon, so try them out as early as possible. So to redeem them, open your Flex City, click on the settings icon, tap on the account, and then enter the code right here. And just enter the redeem code, click on redeem right here after you have pasted it, and you should be able to get your reward instantly. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.